Hey everybody, Mr. Cameron here to show you an activity called the soccer four-corner drill. Alright, for this activity you're going to need some kind of ball that will work as a soccer ball, so one that's a sphere that will roll for you pretty well. It doesn't have to be a soccer ball, it can be any ball that will roll on the ground that you can use with your feet. Then you're going to need 4 landmarks. Today I am using cones. I got 4 different colors, and I have these little numbers that go on top of the cone. You might be able to see the number 1 on there. And the reason I put those on is because your 4 landmarks that you're going to use, you have to have some kind of name or nickname for them. Because in this game, you need to know which cone you are supposed to be traveling to. All right? So I have my 4 landmarks, and I put them in a square formation. So I put them in a perfect square. My square is kind of small right now because I wanted you to be able to see them on the screen, but you can make your square much larger if you're outside, or however big the room is you're in, you can make your square that big. Okay? Now, how this game works is you're going to need yourself and one other person. One person is going to be the soccer dribbler, and the other person is going to be the caller. We'll call them the caller. Okay? The dribbler is going to start in the middle with their ball right here in the middle. Okay? And when the game begins, they're going to start doing toe taps, just like we've practiced in class, where you're tapping your ball over and over and over until the caller calls out one of the 4 landmarks. Okay? So for mine, my caller might call out a color, because then I would look for that color and I would know which cone to go to. Or they might call out a number, because all my cones have numbers and I could travel to that cone based on the number. Now, if you don't have cones with numbers, you might have 4 stuffed animals, and your caller might say, go to the teddy bear, or go to the iguana stuffed animal. Whatever you have, you're going to have to know which one is which, give them little names or nicknames, okay? So how it works is, like I said, the dribbler is going to start in the middle, and when the game begins, they're going to do toe taps like this until the caller calls out one of the 4 cones. So let's say I was doing toe taps and I hear the caller say, cone number 4. I'm going to quickly transition into a dribble, bring my ball back to the middle, and start doing my toe taps again. Now I might hear my caller say, blue. I would have to quickly find the blue cone, use my dribbling skills, and come back in and start my toe tap. Okay? You're going to go for 1 minute, and you're going to see how many different cones you can get to. So your caller is, as soon as you get back to the middle and do toe taps, your caller is going to call another cone or another landmark. So if you go quicker, you're going to have the opportunity to get around more of the landmarks. If you're a little bit slower, that's okay, but you might not have as much time to get around as many landmarks. So you can challenge the caller, switch positions, or you can just keep doing it over and over and see what your best score is. So we're practicing our soccer dribbling, we're practicing our awareness, and we're practicing moving quickly and using some agility as well. All right, have fun, and I'll see you soon.